In this video, I will show you how to reset your AirPods. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and reset your AirPods, it's actually quite easy to do. Now, the process is the same whether you have the AirPods or the AirPods Pro. In this video, I've got the AirPods Pro. Now, to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you look on the back of the case, we've actually got a little button which is just here. So you can see this button here, and this is the button we're going to use to reset our AirPods. So what you want to do first is actually go ahead and open up the lid on the case. So here we are, as you can see, the lid is now opened. Now what you want to do, that button on the back, you actually just want to press and hold this for about 15 seconds. So what's going to happen is the white light is going to start flashing. Now what you need to do is keep your finger held on the button at the back. It takes about 15 seconds, but you just want to keep it held down until the light turns an amber colour. So here we are, as you can see the light's gone amber, so you just want to keep holding until the light goes back to a white blinking light. And now as you can see the white light is now blinking, so this means that this is now factory reset the AirPods. So now what you can do is just go ahead and reconnect to your device, and that is basically how to go ahead and reset your AirPods. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.